everyone, I'm standing in front of a super cute couples coach here, very cozy on the inside, dual axle and just over 24 foot long. Follow me inside and let's check out some more. Hey everybody, Mariah here at Rich & Sons RV Headquarters. I wanted to show you the really unique kitchen space on the back of this 2024 Passport 229 RK. Lots of windows in the rear, plenty of room to spread out, cook, and make the space your own. And I wanted to tell you, we actually just started our 2024 clearance model event thanks to our friends over at Keystone and Passport, and we're able to offer you an additional $2,500 off on this specific unit. And the good news doesn't just stop there. Our interest rates have actually been falling in the last couple of months, so we can get you a great deal on a camper just like this one. So if this is something you could see yourself and your family in, come see me, Mariah, here at Rich & Sons RV.